Today I'm going to make hummus with sun-dried tomatoes. I have sun-dried tomatoes in olive oil and Italian herbs here. You can also use regular sun-dried tomatoes. Soak them in water for about 30 minutes and drain them. I have 1.5 cup of cooked chickpeas here. I'm using canned chickpeas today. 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano from my garden. 1/3 cup of soaked dried tomatoes, few cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have 1/4 cup of smooth peanut butter. I will add few tablespoons of liquid and then I will blend the mixture. And this is what it looks like once it's blended. I forgot to add salt, so I'm going to add salt right here, a teaspoon of salt. I'll mix it so that the salt is all mixed in properly. And that's it. Now I will just garnish it with some more olive oil, few toasted peas, some toasted chickpeas. I also like to garnish with few pieces of sun-dried tomatoes. Gives it a nice contrast. And that's it. Done.